Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tawqeed Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper crane. So all you need to make this paper crane is any square sheet of paper. But if you don't have square sheet of paper, I will teach you a trick on how to turn your normal A4 or rectangular paper into a square paper. So the first step is to fold this edge to this edge right over here, and then crease sharply, and then flip the paper over. And now we're going to make a crease, and now we're going to make a crease, and we will align that crease with this edge over here like this, and then crease sharply, make it perfect. And then now we can cut this part off, or if we just crease sharply right over here, we could just tear it a little bit over here and then rip it off like this. So now we have a square paper. So now that we have this line over here, or this crease, we're going to fold this edge down to this edge over here, and then crease sharply, and then we're going to open the paper, and then we're going to fold this edge to this edge like this, and crease. And now we will open it and turn it like this, and turn it like this. And now we have this crease right over here. We're going to fold on that crease like this. And now we have these flaps right over here. We're going to tuck in these flaps like this. So that will reverse these creases right over here. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to just fold it like this, and we will not crease it sharply. We will just crease it very gently and softly, and then crease it gently and softly in this direction, and then open it back up. And now we're going to fold this edge to this crease, to this gentle crease we made over here like this, and then do the same thing over here, and then crease, and then flip the paper over and do the same thing. I'm going to crease it like this, and then do the same thing. Like this. Now we're going to open these flaps like this, and now we're going to open this pocket like this. So we're making a crease that will start from this point where this crease touches this edge, and will end right over here where this crease touches this edge. There. And now after we open it like this, you will start seeing that these flaps start to tuck inwards like this. So we're going to align these edges to the center crease like this, and flatten it down like this, and then do the same thing over here, over here, then crease it like this, and then flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing. So open these flaps, and now we're going to make a crease that will start from here, from this point, and then will end here over this point like this. And then we're going to tuck in these flaps right over here so it fits perfectly right over here. So we should have something like this. So now we have these edges right over here. We're going to fold these edges to this center, to the center of the model. Over here. And then do the same thing. And then flip it over and do the same thing. Like this. And then grease. And then same thing over here. Like this. And now we're going to open this part of the paper like this, and open it like this. Try to lie flat. And now we will fold up this part as far as it can go, like this, and make sure this center, this edge aligns with the center crease. This is perfect. And then we can close it like this. And after we close it, we're going to open it a little bit, and we will swing this part like this. And then crease it right over here. And then do the same thing. We're going to fold up this edge, this flap as far as it can go, and then squish it like this. And then we have this part, we're going to swing it out like this. So it should look something like this. And now we have these two flaps sticking out. We're going to decide which flap will be our head and which part will be our tail. So I'm going to choose this part, this flap, to be the head of the crane. So we're going to just bend it down like this, and then squash it like this. So now you have created the head of your paper crane. So now we're going to fold the wings. We will fold this flap down as far as it can go, like this, and then do the same thing over here, and then open it back up. And now your paper crane is done. So if you want it to stand, you can just open these flaps a little bit like this, so it can stand like this. And also you can curve it like this or something like this. And yeah, your paper crane is done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video, please give it a like, and also subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.